Good morning, boys and girls. It's another week. I hope you had a great weekend. Today in math, we're going to talk about comparing numbers. What are words that we use to compare two numbers? Greater than, less than. What about more, fewer? What about if they're the same? The numbers are equal, that's right. So today, I can compare two numbers. That's what we're going to do. Now, you already know how to do that, so I'm going to teach you something new. We're going to compare the numbers by using symbols. When we write numbers down and compare them, there's a way to do it by using special symbols. I'm going to show you those three symbols, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. There they are. Okay, the first two symbols look like sideways V's, okay? Or kind of like a little mouth. So I want you to remember that. The last one you've seen a bunch of times. Do you remember what that one's called? This one right here? The equal sign. Okay, so you already know the equal sign. Let's learn how to use these two. Let's look a little closer. Okay, so when we use the first two, the mouths, I want you to pretend like they are like an alligator mouth, okay? And our alligators are hungry. They want the most food you have. So I want you to pretend like in one hand you have a bunch of goldfish crackers, and in the other hand you have just a few. Which hand do you think the alligator wants to eat? The one with a bunch or the one with just a few? The one with a bunch, that's right. So when we're comparing numbers, we show this sign when the number on this side is greater or more, because that means he gets to eat the one with the most, okay? This symbol means greater than. Now we took the same little mouth and we just I made him put a little face on him, so he's like kind of like an alligator, okay? So this is the greater than sign. What do you think it means when this V or mouth is flipped the other way? It means less than. That's right. So if the bigger number is on this side, then the alligator gets to eat the bigger number. So he's flipped the other way. The last symbol you already know. What is it? Equals. And when do we use an equal sign? Some of you might already know, and if you're not sure, we're going to find out today. Okay, let's practice. I'm going to show you two numbers, and we're going to decide which symbol to use. Well, how do I know how to do that? All you have to do is look at the two numbers and ask yourselves this question. Which number is bigger? Let's practice. Okay, let's read the two numbers and ask which one is bigger. What number is this? What number is this? 8 and 3. Which number is bigger? The 8. Okay, remember, the alligator's hungry. He wants to eat the bigger number. So which symbol will we use? That's right. The mouth that's going to let him eat the bigger number. Now let's read the number sentence and make sure it makes sense. 8 is greater than 3. Does that make sense? Yes. He is so happy he got to eat the bigger number. Good work, guys. Okay, let's practice with another number. Other two numbers. What number is this? And what number? That's the number 2. And what number is this? Okay, which number is bigger? The 2 or the 7? The 7. So would we use the same symbol that we did last time? 2 is greater than 7? No, he's sad because he doesn't get to eat the bigger number. We're going to use the other symbol called less than. 2 is less than 7. Does that make sense? Yes, he gets to eat the bigger number. Excellent work. Just all you have to do is remember which one's bigger. Okay, let's practice one more time. Okay, friends, what number is, there's a bad glare there. Here we go. What number is this? 5. What number is this? 5. Let's ask our question. Which number is bigger? There's not one bigger than the other. They're the what? The same. And what is our big math word for same? Equals. So let's throw the equals sign up there and read our sentence and make sure it makes sense. 5 is equal to 5. Does that make sense? Yes. Give yourself a pat on the back. How easy is that? Okay, so now that we've talked about the symbols that we use to compare numbers and we practice using them, I want to show you how to make your own math symbols, and then we're going to do an activity together, a little game where you get to use your own, okay? So what I want you to do right now is grab a piece of paper. It can be a colored paper, blank, doesn't matter. Go grab a piece of paper. Ready, go. Okay, you got your paper? All right, hold it up. And, well, first, how many symbols are there that we learned about today? 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to fold our paper in 3 pieces. Now, if we were doing 2, we would take our paper and we would just fold it in half, right? And then we'd have 2. We're going to make 3. So take one edge and fold it to about the middle of the other side. And then press down. This does not have to be perfect, okay? Take the other piece and fold it over the other side and press down. And then you'll open it up and you'll have 3 pieces. Easy. Okay, now I want you to pause the video and go get a marker or crayon or pencil. Ready, go. All right, you're back. All right, let's draw our 3 symbols. The first one we're going to draw is greater than. So look in your first little box. Okay, I'm just going to put it here and let's draw it. So all you have to do in your first little box is draw the sideways V. That's the symbol. And then in kindergarten we make it fun by making it into a little alligator. So decide how you want to decorate yours. You could make them look like mine, or make them have a big mouth, or or big teeth, tiny teeth. You could do something, make it look a little bit different than mine. Whatever you want. Add teeth, and now you've got the greater than sign. Friends, I would love it if you could label underneath, write in your own handwriting, greater than. Here are the words right here. Greater, greater than. Okay, so you got your greater than symbol. Now let's go on. What's the other symbol called? Less than, the opposite. Greater than, less than. Let's practice making him. Okay, so now we just flip our greater than the other way. Easy. Make our sideways V, and then make him into some kind of monster or alligator. Or maybe a frog. I was thinking about you, Hayes. Okay, a little froggy with some crazy teeth. All right, and I would love it if you would label underneath less than. Here are the words. L-E-S-S and than. Less than. So you've got greater than, you have less than. Hey, Sean. And what is the last one? The last symbol that we use to compare? Equals. And how easy is the equals sign? We already know how to do that one. Easy, right? Equals. Whoops. Just like that. Equal sign. Okay? And it would be super duper awesome if you could label your equal sign and write the words underneath. E-Q-U. Equal. Equal. A-L. Equal to. T-O. You write it right underneath. Okay. Now, when you're done labeling equal to, I want you to pause the video and go grab some scissors, okay? Grab scissors that are kid friendly. All right, ready? Go. Okay, when you're back, the last step is to cut out your new symbols. Okay, so now just take your paper and cut them out. Let's see if you can see. Here's your greater than guy. Cut out your less than, and then your equals, equal sign. Now you have your own symbols to compare numbers. Okay, when you're done, I want you to stop the video, click on the next link below, and let's do a little comparing game together. All right, see you at the next video. Bye.